Hii barabara ni one of the most busy roads in Kenya. Ikiwa itapanua, lakini wakati unaenda ku overtake unakuta ni nyingi na ushaenda gari nyingine ishafika. So ina report. Sasa itakuwa mambo ya traffic enforcement ambayo tutakuelimisha. Lakini bora pia wewe ukue tayari kurekebisha. Angalia magari yetu kabla ya Disemba. One by one. Hii gari yako ndio urekebisha ABCD. Kuna marafiki wa dhati. Swali yeyote labda kuna kitu ambayo hauelewi. Ninakuja kwa maswali ya
umuthi twi guku ni undu wa gukorwo twina mucemanio na matereba a matatu ni undu wa kwaririria uria tungihota kunyihia accident ira cia bara-ini citu. Bara ino itu especially ya kuma Nairobi gukirira Nakuru na kwambata uguo wothe nginyagia boda ni koretwo ina mathina maingi muno ma mitino barabara-ini, na nikio umuthi twina mathomo ma matereba kugeria kumariria na nigetha tuhote ku reduce fatalities ira cie guku barabara-ini. Maundu maria tuonete ni ati tariu turathie thiguku-ini andu aingi ni makoretwo mena haraka cia gwetha mbeca na ugakora ati barabara-ini ni kuri andu maratwarithia ngari amwe mari under influence ya drugs, angi mari anogu, na angi ona kwa kurora maundu mabatie gukorwo makirwo barabara-ini ta road signs cia gukwira hari batire guthii na hari batire gukorwo kihira.
By 4th of November this year we have lost a total of 4,068 lives, which is a lot. Pedestrians being the leading 1,525, followed by boda and passengers and then drivers. This shows that the numbers are not going down compared to what we had in the previous years, and it calls for all of us to be responsible on the road.
My only appeal to all drivers is that we should be cautious, follow traffic rules, especially now that we are going to the festive season. And we'll be out. In fact, we are already out for the operations. We'll be very strict